What are you doing?
We'll lay these down and we'll roll this one up on it.
Lighter.
Yeah. Good job, boy.
All right.
All the way up against the wall too, so that you can screw it to the outside wall. It just gives it that much more support.
I would like for it to have these live edges on some of them now.
Yeah,
and
that
then
would look
facing
great.
downwards,
Yes.
where you can see. Hold on, I gotta lift this back up. Okay, so we just got our first 4 beams cut. We're going to need to get one more out of these logs right here. We were kind of feeling it out as we were cutting into them and decided to go with 4x4s for the beam running across the cabin. Part of them are going to be supporting the loft that we're going to do, where we'll be sleeping. The bottom will just be more of like a living hangout area. So we just got to go ahead and cut into one more of these, and then we'll go ahead and take them down to the cabin, put them on the frame, and move on to the next thing. But so far, so good. Let's keep after it. Alright, we're down here at the bottom. We got to get the trailer to bring it back up the mountain. So obviously, bring the rest of the stuff down. So we're just going to unload these 2x4s, get it hooked up, haul her back up the mountain. They're making the other cut that needs to be made on that last 4x4 beam. And we'll get everything down here and get to work. So let's get it.
Give y'all a task when I come back. I want it done now. Okay?
But we got 2 things done while you were.
couple of them will be okay, but these suckers got some weight to them. All that rain. Good. Yeah, just got it.
Well, we got the first load down the mountain. We are working on getting the second one down right now. My dad's halfway down the hill waiting on us to catch up to him. So the first one was really heavy, but this one's pretty heavy too because those pine beams that we just cut, they still got all that water weight in them. So they're really heavy. We just want to make sure we get it all down there safe. But once we get this last load down there, green light, we can actually start building on the cabin again. And it should be a good time. So let's just get this done first.
Another 2 feet would be great. All right. Ready, set, go. Okay. All right.
As you can see, he's going down and it's so much weight on that trailer that it kind of fishtailed and he got stuck up against the tree. And it doesn't have four-wheel drive backup, only going forward, so it was dug in a hole. So I think we can come up with this Sarah, full throttle it in reverse, and me and my dad just yank on it with all we got. Thankfully it worked, but when we get to this hill right here, it's far too dangerous for us to go down, so we're gonna have to unhook them and carry the logs down one by one and then rehook it and take it in. Definitely eventful. Everything out here is always a challenge, especially when you're carrying serious weight like this down the mountain. So, but we're gonna make it work and we're gonna make it happen.
He's really thinking about it.
Jeff thinks I was going good. It'll handle two. I mean, if it's going to crash with two, it's going to crash with none.
as you can see, we decided that probably 2 of them was like the same weight as the last load, so that we could just, you know, do that. So thankfully that worked, and we only had to carry down 3. Oh my God, those things are heavy. I don't know how much they weigh, but they got to be pushing around 100 pounds a piece. I mean, that water weight is just ridiculously heavy. So, last little bit, we're almost done. We can take a second, get some water, catch a breath, and then do whatever's next. So far, so good. We're making it work. Okay, so I think we wrapped up everything that we're going to end up doing today. We didn't get as much done as we thought we were going to, which is the way it always goes when we're out here. Things just end up taking a while, you run into challenges, have to overcome them, whatever. But we did, we got everything down here, so hopefully we can get down here tomorrow and really get flying. I know for a fact we're definitely going to get all these beams up and then hopefully start getting the pitch of that roof built and figure that out. So we're going to go back tonight and kind of draw up exactly how we want that to be, because with the loft, you know, we're going to be able to want to stand up and have a lot of room up there. But I feel pretty good about getting all this stuff down here. It's a big challenge. So it was a good day and a good day's work. We appreciate you guys tuning in. We will catch you tomorrow morning. See you later.